everyone wants to see the coin. It actually has two different sides, not the same side. Crazy day. Sold the Rockstar. He's gonna open the seal on the Rockstar right now, live in front of you guys, so you can see what a live deal looks like. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my gosh.
Timepiece Trading, bro.
You already know with TPT.
Shout out Timepiece Trading.
Timepiece Trading.
Yes, sir.
Alright guys, what is going on? Welcome back to this week's video. This is going to be an absolute banger for you guys. Bunch of customers down at the office opening up a $1.5 million watch, cutting the seal. The customer even left wearing the watch. As always guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what you want to see more down below. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, so we got into the office this morning, crazy day, sold the Rockstar. We ended up taking a few watches on trade, but there's even one thing that's more surprising than taking all these watches on trade. So we got a RM11 Titanium, RM1103 Final Edition, black bubble with white rehat, and then we got the 1103 McLaren, and the customer is going to be taking the Rockstar. He's actually here, he does not want to be filmed, but he's going to open the seal on the Rockstar right now, live in front of you guys, so you can see what a live deal looks like. So here you are, congratulations. And feel free.
Thank you.
You can open it up. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Let's see what it looks like. Oh my gosh.
Very proud looking.
Eu acho que é pequeno.
Não.
Alright guys, so as you guys just saw in the last clip, the Rockstar just got opened. Customer put it straight onto wrist. We have all of his trades here. He actually left the watch here because he's just going to the bank. He's going to send the wire and then come back. But guys, what a watch. What do you guys think? RM66 Rockstar, beautiful ruby on the crown. Rose gold and titanium sides, absolutely insane details. What do you guys think it looks like on wrist? You like it? Let us know in the comments down below. Check it out. Live for you guys to see. Seal opened, straight onto the customer's wrist, off to a new home. Thank you guys so much for everything. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to sell you guys pieces like this. We are truly grateful for it and really appreciate it. And this is what it's all about. You know, it doesn't matter if the deal's $1,000 or $1 million. We're happy to see people immediately take a watch, put it on wrist, and get to wear it. That's what gets us excited and gets us to the office every morning. So thank you guys so much again.
Some savage shit right there. Bro said, give me the Rockstar. Bro cut the seal. And then he put it on his wrist.
That's thick footage you got?
No, this is the bet. I gave you the coin. The coin's yours for now. You guys should use this coin for now. We're doing 24.5 if I lose.
Yes.
Okay? And 22.5 if I win.
Correct.
But if I win, I'm gonna give I'm gifting him the watch. I'll just go buy another one.
Okay.
Right?
Love that.
We don't need to show them what kind of watch it is. Right?
It's a nice watch.
I mean, who flips?
No, I don't want to flip.
No, I don't want to flip. I'll gamble.
Here we go.
Alright, so your heads?
The last time the flip was
This is just
alright, so just everyone wants to see the coin. It actually has two different sides, not the same side. Everyone always asks.
Bro, I don't even want to look.
So your head.
You better win.
Yeah, we're Trump. No, you gotta look, bro. Otherwise, we're gonna tell you it's heads.
Wait, turn it around though.
Wait, he's like 3.
Definitely Trump.
Oh!
Trump 2024, guys. Come on. We already knew it. We already knew it.
I can't believe it. You know what? It sucks for you, bro. If I would have won, I would have given him the watch. But unless you want to double or nothing. You know?
You want to flip one more time?
Yeah.
500 off.
Okay.
500 off or same price?
Yo,
Just
we
to
flip
give him-
one more time.
For 500 off or 24.5, just because we're nice people.
Okay, and if we get 500 off, I give him the watch.
Okay.
Okay, go again.
Okay, so same.
This is not. I can't. This feels like I'm in a fucking casino.
Look, he's getting stressed. He's getting
For no reason. For no reason, bro.
Alright,
For
Trump,
no
Trump
reason.
2024.
Go. Oh
That's Trump's house this
Bro, there you go, bro. When I come back, you better be wearing this watch. Oh man.
Little incentive.
Alright,
Get it
I'll
back.
send you crypto.
Congrats.
Alright.
Congrats, sir.
I'll come get it. Man.
Let me get I'll get the whole set prepared.
He needs some stuff done, so I guess we'll talk in the group chat with John.
Okay, wait. So what are we at? What are we at? 24?
24.
Okay.
Unless you want to flip for 48 or 24.
What, you want to flip for your card? Sell me your card,
Bro, I just got it. I'm so happy with it. It's perfect.
TPT, we in the building. Team Turo was good.
You ready for the reveal?
Wow.
Okay. 1, 2.
It's fire, right?
Wow, man.
What do you think?
I don't think I know
No
that I
horse?
love it. No, it's the big boy. I'm so excited. Let's see.
Let's try it.
Alex, put it on right here. Boom.
Gotcha.
Damn. I feel I'm gonna add on like 2 pounds of muscle just by putting this rollie on, bro. Like it's so crazy.
Mirrors is actually.
I go on the right.
Okay.
I'm unorthodox.
No, right.
Yeah, it's crazy. I know. It's weird.
Kind of big, but we can take out one.
Yeah, you could do that now. You can size it for me
Yeah,
now.
for sure.
Yeah, it is a little dancey, but
Looks safe.
it looks sick, right?
Yeah.
Yo, bad.
Looks fire.
TPT, man, Neil, I love you, dog. Thank you so much, brother, for making this a reality. I know that this is just a start. Trust me, bro, APs and Richard Mille's coming, but, you know, your boy gotta crawl, walk, and then fly. Man, yo, dreams come true, man. Hard work pays off. I'm a trainer. I used to walk to the gym. I'm in a Lamborghini. I just got my first rollie. All you gotta do is believe in yourself, believe in God, execute, and dreams come true, man. I'm telling you, if I could do it, you could do it. I'm dead ass. And look, TPT water.
TPT water.
You feel me? We doing big things, guys. We doing big things, man. I love that poster because my name's Arturo.
Okay, well, Karen takes out the lid. Let me show you a couple of the things here. Here, behind this, we have the papers. Here you go. This is the World warranty. Here are the papers. There you
Like
go.
the
This is where you send
authenticity
the
and all that
watch.
stuff?
Yeah, exactly. And I don't know if Karen already mentioned it, but you have 1 year warranty with us. So,
Cool.
yeah, you can let us know.
Let's say, like, I want to have it like cleaned. Can I come here or the Rolex or like?
Oh yeah, you can for sure. Like when you say clean, you wanna like, for example, like
You know how like
polish
they,
or
like I don't know.
something like that.
I'm gonna take it to the gym. I'm not taking this thing off. I'm going to the beach.
No. For
I mean,
sure.
it's deep sea dweller, right? Like.
Yeah, of course. Like yeah, when as soon as I get like a way too scratch, like you say like, oh no, I cannot have it like this anymore. You can bring it to us and we can like give it a touch up and it will be looking mint. So I got you.
Alex, she's the best. If no one's told her, you're the best.
Yeah, you're the person though.
Now it's good, right?
That's good, right?
Yeah.
You don't want it too tight on your
No,
wrist
no,
either.
no, no,
Just
no.
a little, yeah.
You think that's too snug or that's good? How many did you take off?
I took off one link.
One?
Yeah, just one.
Yeah,
Either
that's
way,
the
when
only
you
option,
go
right?
out and since it's hot, like your wrist can get swollen and like it will be too tight if you take
Or if you
another
go
one.
out to dinner at Queen and eat out like I did the other day. Put on a couple pounds.
Like,
Nah, I get
yeah.
you. But do you think that's good, Alex? Like,
Yeah, I
that's-
think that one
that's-
does good.
is
If
there
you
like
take
a,
another one, it will be too tight on it.
okay.
Yeah.
And then the other one was a little too loose.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
You're the expert.
So that goes in and out
Oh
just
wow,
like
it
that.
slides good.
Exactly. And then you can fit.
Let me try by myself with you guys here, cause.
Perfect. Looks amazing.
My forearms or the watch?
Both.
Once you get a pump in, you'll
Yeah.
be
Oh, crazy, dog, crazy.
You gotta have the timepiece trading.
Oh, yo.
Celebrate.
Yo, shout out to Neil, man. We got a 1942.
Think you want to?
Sure. Yeah.
Guys, we're celebrating here at TPT. Your boy don't even drink, but it's like a special occasion.
Go. It's for you guys. I can't drink on the
Oh,
road.
Hey, cheers to what's coming and getting started. Cheers, guys. Neil, cheers, prayers. Thank you, brother. Shout out TPT. Shout out to baddest Rolly, in my opinion.
Hey,
My man, thank you for that.
hey, congratulations.
Appreciate
Congrats.
that. Alex, thank you so much, sweetheart.
No worries. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear me.
So hot in here.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, that's fire. Right here, got to watch the match. Let's go. Who put that there, Karn? Where does it say Karn 24?
What does it say? Where?
Oh, it doesn't.
Right there.
Oh shit. That's funny. Thank you guys. I love you guys. You guys are the best.
We have something
You all
coming
want
up.
a nice hug.
That's coming soon. So look at it.
Say something. Thank you. We're missing you.
This guy's so They work out.
Thank you, bro. Oh, you smell good, dude. What is that? LV, right?
No, it's not.
You took it from behind your desk.
No, I did not, bro. I did it, bro.
This
That's
is
for me,
from
thank you.
me, Karan, Sanjay.
Don't name everyone, just say everyone else.
Yeah, that's selfish, bro.
Fine.
I have a lot of envy. You guys know me very well. It's my favorite. Oh, that's a lot. Damn. Thank you.
Also from Chase, which is my LV guy from Arizona.
He works at LV.
Yeah, he blocked me with this.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Wait, so who?
No, I don't.
Why would you say the guy at LV's name though?
That's fire. Thank you. Thank you all.
Wow.
Yeah, I see that like that. I wish I had jeans on.
It's a virtual edition, bro.
Oh, fine. Thank you, bro. Wow. Yeah, I'll go out with this. Appreciate it, bro.
I thought it was your style, so.
Yeah, thank you.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this week's videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you next week.